Welcome everybody, it is Bobby. Two Pops Breaks on Sunday. It is June the 30th. We are breaking Gold Rush MLB jerseys. It's a $2 break from a case we started tonight. We numbered up our boxes and then randomed them. 3 and 4 is what we got. We did pick a name, get 3 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized the customer list, did give it a couple minutes to trade. Nothing going on, no. Had a few offers, but nothing actually went down. So here we go. Seal. That's an awful fucking sig, man. Jesus Christ, what is going on with some of these guys? Wow. Well, guys, we are not off to a stellar start here, man. Gonna be a chuck and knob block. And I'm a little... Look at that fucking sig. I mean, it's like... a little disappointed in that sig on top of it, man. I mean, my fucking die covers 2/3 of it, man. It's like, what the shit? I don't remember his sig being that fucking bad, man, but I guess agents must have got to him because that is fucking brutal. Well, we're seeing Kyle's luck continuing into the gold rush here. I don't know if that's great luck. Yeah, the MLB didn't treat us bad last time, though, Jason. I mean, we're halfway through the case, so I'm hoping we still got a couple of nasty hits sitting here somewhere. But the last time we had these, they did not treat us bad. I mean, we hit the licensed Kershaw out of it. Out of one case, we only had 2 cases of these before they sold out. And then the other one had Gunner. And I don't remember, it had someone else that was a nice one too, and I can't remember. So, I'm just hoping by the time we finish our case, man, we're going to get a couple of nice hits out of her. Wow, man. We are definitely not off to a good start, man. That is going to be the Bill Rogers, or Brandon Rogers, whatever the fuck. Wow, guys. I'm hoping we got a couple of 2 nice boxes sitting here for you guys. This case can't be that bad. I mean, maybe we got a big boy sitting there or something, man. One of the monsters. Bam. Because so far, man, we are definitely not off to a great start. Brandon Rogers. Wow, guys. Sorry about that. Brutal start here, guys. Well, we got 2 more left, guys, and at least one of them should be a monster. I mean, I'm sort of expecting both of these fucking things to be pretty damn solid for us. Who the hell hit that? Well, it's gonna be a Sloan. Wow, guys, well, all I'd say, guys, is hopefully we'll hit better here. I've got the HP after this. Call out your keeps, guys. It's gonna ramp up that one. Should have a monster, though, here. Y'all have a good one.